Hi, welcome back to another video on PowerMill tips and tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your setup sheet in Excel format. So the Excel format is very useful to copy the tool parameters output to some other drawings or maybe print out separately. And maybe you can edit the setup sheet also. So for this, we have a macro. So first I'm going to run the macro. So if you run this, it will take an setup sheet through Excel. So now it is saying export to CSV is complete. Now, if you go into your folder, project folder, you can able to find setup and you can able to see the Excel sheet here. So if you open that Excel sheet, you can find all the parameters copied here. So what you have to do is select the required field, make it center, and you can able to auto fit column width. Now you can able to copy or you can print from here. So now I'm going to show you the macro. So if you need to be edit the macro, you can also edit it. So this is the macro here. So this is the description line. So if you want, you can edit the line on the description. And for this description, we are calling the parameters respectively. Actually, these commands are available in the PowerMill documentary page. You can able to copy and paste it here. So this is an useful one, how to export the setup sheet in Excel format. Thank you. Bye.